NPP will lose 2028 election if this problem is not solved. JOD Eden Sema to Jam. Menkutin Sema JOD Jennifer Ochredakun Edatuja Embra.
That is our party. No what's the no money na. What's the sending na? It's one MPs no. Omone omo ye constituency executives, regional executives. Omone pray kese eya dia hihye no ma ofomo. Tini work even constituency communicators no kan no ma abai na ya dia ba ho. De ya mo ma because flag bearer on timi ma every day in Koninam areas no. Because you are representatives. Caleb, we have representatives in every region, in every constituency, in every polling station. Omo Nigeria party ni feel say ye kan nipa na on Nigeria party na nem was accept bia ho no. Timubu tutu mu no ma yi a ebedru soro ho no. Eti wo hwa eye bo ne ye bo a enka national executives no omo ne bo defense to the flag bearer. Omo Nigeria flag bearer nanim na eba sanete. It is a there is a defense a strong no. Ubetimi penetrate omo flag bearer no. Yes, that is how it is. It's not people are thinking that the national executives are weak, you know, because they do more mobile no. However, say ne flag bearer need to mean konto kwakra na. First, and they're from a king, you know. No more mu defend them. If you be armor bearers, if you be army commanders. Ubo say you cannot penetrate. But say mo yemre. There be any say. So omo ye mre na enweki a enweki saa ema onipa no odi ne mu ye ha because omo ankasa to tuja abono omo to tuja abonipa no ga media mo MPP na ya mo betie mi na mo so mo de koka ma say ya mo ma me credence kakra na mutu didi matem dodo ya mo so ni di matem na mo so fata mo betie mi. But o mate de me chena say mo tutu jagu ne wo dada na mo nipa ne mo ye ha dada ti mo ton no opponent na mo ne ba be pre mo ton nipa no. How can somebody buy? Combo, how are you doing, my Nigerian husband? Greetings to you, special Combo. One of our Ghanaian brothers supporting Barcelona just died. Osanju, rest in peace to him. Combo, I greet you, I greet you. Anyways, back to the American. So what I say? Enti, many anomana mo other candidates no. Enya bone. Yeni na yentimi prefer obi. Ade a wo de yada ba o me anon fanya da ken. De wo de be yada ken nti ono so fanya da ba o me enti no choose ken no. But we should be careful. It is not about that nti na elusu ye. And some wo constituencies nim. And some ho I'm telling you. Constituency hono omo de why don't call me. Omo de constituency ne to atopre. Tinate say be you a flag bearer no do ti be gia kire makeke. Woni e do ti be to chopping board na so ati. Near the problems in Aswa because on a party no ye do him call here. And in some way they make an asia. Obi no sorry kotoaba or sorry or greater crana kotonaba. Any na me suggest no. First of all, menya ye toba o miama bani wia. Omo makenini na Emma obi anya bombia every card bearing member yema ne koto omaba ne bi because at least proposal na omo pe flag bearers ni na propose na e de akoya amendment nti omo de ne de omo ni na se omate ase am ya ye nti omo de ne de say panyofo ni na obi any problem amendment na yakoye say old one for no de bia ya meka na say meka kire mo ache Ibenya time abeye. The moving motions ni bebre. Aye amendments bebre. Ya flag bearers ni na omaye all content with it. They are okay. And all of it amendments ni na omani haje. So obi a wakojina MPda, obi a wedi MPda ni ade omani na beba beto aba. ye wo nkofo bi omoto aba wo executives ni mu nso aye increasing ne ade to mo ni na aye okay say. But other positions na kanini na e ka me nko a ye to ba omi ba ne wie kukuro omo ni na every card member from national executive to polling station obi anko to be. Me nkwase adwene no. I don't know what anybody thinks. Because the albums that they do and vote, especially for the MPs, and then they do problems. MPs in about one and they do problems about. MPs most steady. But MPP problems when you they start free pa and work say MPs in the side. Now who said the NTN say it's the ono net so no. Say no my kwachem achew na constituency executives and police station officers no. Ekoye mani pafoforo betu na no ohwe baabi a we na wabetu na align ni aso align to kena na cheso ne nkofo ni na ekoba omia or align to ba omia omuni na so okoke. And so that is where the problem comes from, the constituency. I'm telling you. Because people have problems with how they create the albums. People have that problem and think that Nkofobi and through and anything almost selecting Nkofo way by OBS selector. Then what will give us the advantage is that you see what will give us the advantage is that and remember how if you know something, you know that I must study what politics will pan say and go for upper base in the side. Main campaign for pen fund now was canting on Mobejina. So over MP shape Neso pa or my ya titty amount for poor money now we are here for. People need be any be until they don't get the chance. If you give the chance and open up, say okay, at your constituency, MP, Mama play MP no. Every card-bearing member of that constituency, NPP card-bearing member, or to be no. The advantage it will give in a say. So be it JOD no nika pray. Now people see say I fit that position. I can help at your ma. You will get the note. So any problem no any flag bearer hona. Any hona. Mo de mo pa mo change mo maintain mo nya dani anye no me ya ye ka ho a ye ka opposition wa enye ho a we need to start working and putting structures, good structures. E ma obi nye obi agenda ne doso dodo agenda ne doso enunti ni abedu ha tina me catch am say 2024 my kwan in the bank or by Timidi. I'm telling you, Kobewe. Offer him a coini. What is a place in a cracksy? Thank you very much, Prince. Kobewe. Tienki humum. Yenye structures in ye. Yen to up a man call for my much is a party in society. And you will move putum. I will base level ho. To the highest bidder always get the MP shape nod. No. Because MP4 no omuchi vote to active vote to che obia. If a constituency will be attractive, it mostly determine it's dependent on the member of parliaments they present. And then I'm say you to abandon with the albums that is done by the sitting MP with the help of coordinators and executives. They say obi tena so 500 years ekura na executives no yata na obi teme tu no ebi nso so a na you vote na ekọ form ho a wose nipa na change no constituency ho, but you cannot penetrate when the coordinators and the executives want the MP. How does this problem comes from the flag bearership person? Me say, Dr. Baomiano, ordinity beja chirema, because una party ni be present o do wani mako te lusu wie pe na obi adane dane wani hwe even o maboti constituency holding some phone no na o mo be hwe wani te o hwa MPs bi wo ho no mo a obo mu di o mo nkofo ani chi etu do flag bearer kwa oye hwan yo o nim se MP no gidi o mo woni mu ni nti sa flag bearer no so mba boa no tina me se mo yenti e kasa so campaign na mo ye mo bia no yenka asem nyai ba ma mo nka phone kire de ada ma mo nka phone bia party ne wo no o ka phone wi a o candidate betima wi ni flag bearership no afa no be jani mu ama na kɔhwe munya botre you problem oh Debbie and I'm too kind as I say nti sanity that's how it is mama nya botre na party ni hye no ma no free from umra ye to doctor modi ani wi a